In this video, we are going to share with you 3 mistakes Amazon sellers are making, which is costing them money. Mistake number 1 in the acquisition, from driving Facebook ads straight to the product page, which is hurting your conversion rate and your product ranking on Amazon. Mistake number 2, relationship building. You're leaving your relationship building to Amazon by not having a conversation with the person through email, through blogs, and through other content. Mistake number 3, upselling and cross-selling. You're missing opportunities by not having a follow-up content funnel driving them to Shopify or ClickFunnels. So Ian's going to come in and share with you the ways to fix these mistakes using our Amazon content funnel.
So how you fix mistake number 1 is, instead of driving your Facebook ad traffic directly to your Amazon product page, you want to drive them directly to a piece of content like a blog landing page. Now, the goal of this blog landing page is to soft sell them, educate them, and get them to opt in to maybe a promo code or some kind of incentive where they're going to actually gain value from opting in. You don't want it to be too salesy, something where it's like, hey, we're just trying to give you some value, we're just trying to help you out, so opt in and receive XYZ, right? So on that blog landing page, you're going to try and get them to opt in to then be able to send them emails down the line. Mistake number 2, building the relationship. This is how you're going to build that relationship with email marketing and with Facebook ad retargeting and using content. So when you create these different content funnels, you can then retarget them with your Facebook ads, driving them to different pieces of content. Now, these different pieces of content can address different objections, false beliefs, or things that they may have in their head about your product or the problem that your product addresses. So if your product has a very high education curve, they need to know how to use this new product, or maybe you need to demonstrate how to use this, you can do that with your content that you distribute to them via emails, Facebook ads, or even Facebook Messenger marketing. Mistake number 3, upselling and cross-selling. So you can include an insert, or with your product packaging, you can include, get free products by visiting this URL. So you can then drive them to your actual Shopify or ClickFunnels site where you have an upsell series. So let's say that they get that free product, all they have to do is pay for shipping, right? So after they actually put in their payment information for shipping, now you have them as your customer. So, if they buy from Amazon, that's Amazon's customer. Well, when they get their product and then they visit your website, now they're your customer, and then right after they complete that first purchase, you hit them with an upsell, and you hit them with another upsell, and now you're upselling and cross-selling them other products of yours. And now you have the ability to market to them down the line. If you want to launch new products, you easily have this email list and this customer database that you can now sell to them even outside of Amazon and not have to pay that Amazon commission that everybody loves paying, right? So if you're interested in getting one of these Amazon content funnels built out for your business, then click the link associated with this post, and we would love to talk with you and give you a free consultation on how we can recommend you setting up some of these funnels. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.